Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, I'm going to discuss the current fake out that we got here on the rising wedge of Bitcoin as well. I'm going to talk about this very important upward sloping support line and of course the predictions, what is most likely going to happen for Bitcoin here in the coming hours. As well, I'm going to discuss the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart, where we are currently seeing that we are losing our momentum and that we are cooling off ever so slightly, and that is as well signifying that we could be maybe see a very significant pullback from here on. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to as well subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on any of these further updates on this channel. As well, for all the people right now watching, make sure that you're going to smash up the like, since you will be not only helping me out but as well the whole cryptocurrency industry, since the more likes this video will be getting here, the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going to go here on YouTube. So make sure to already smash it up here, and it is of course already highly appreciated. So let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1-hourly candles before moving further on in towards the video. So you can see here, previously we got rejected by this level. If we're continuing this trend line, you can see over here we got approximately 3 touches, of course over here another one, and over here we once again got another supportive touch. So it looks to be that we finally found a very strong level of support, and this will be as well my level that I will be approaching as the level to hold. And as soon as we are going to fail to hold on towards this level, I will be of course flipped pretty bearish on the Bitcoin price action on the 1-hourly candle, since right now it looks to be that the Bitcoin 1-hourly chart is right now, even though we're dropping off ever so slightly right now, forming a lower high structure, and this lower high structure could be maybe signifying that the 1-hourly candles are going to start moving down here. If we're going to talk about the momentum right now on the 1-hourly candles, it was looking very strong, since over here we were forming a lower low in the RSI here, and on the MACD we were seeing a higher low, so this was a bullish divergence, and that is also the reason why we started to move up from that point over there. That was of course very beautiful to see, to be very honest. If I'm looking to the 1-hourly RSI, we were as well about to create a bullish divergence, and that was also pretty interesting if we were going to see that, but unfortunately that one didn't play out here. But right now you just want to be paying attention on what the trend development currently is here. As soon as we're going to see some more 1-hourly candles consolidating, and if we're really going to see a drop off towards the lower side here, I personally do anticipate of course this lower high structure getting formed here, and after this lower high structure we could be maybe retest the supportive line here. I will be already telling to you guys, we want to be extremely careful with opening along on this supportive line, since the more touches you are getting, the less and less strong this level is going to become as well. And I personally do expect maybe a minor pullback, and I will be discussing why we are most likely going to see that anytime soon right now here. So let me move on further towards the next chart here on the 1-hourly candle. So this was a very interesting chart here that I paid attention towards here. Yesterday we of course perfectly found support on this level, showing the significance of this important area and of this important upper sloping support line. As well, we found support yesterday on this level over here, and this was also showing once again the significance. Okay, we could be forming this rising wedge here, since we were seeing an upward sloping resistance line here with approximately 4 touches, and as well the lower side showing us as well a lot of touch points. But of course earlier today I already did a tweet to you guys that we were retesting this level as resistance, and that it is most likely going to be that we're going to see a correction of it, but we even increase once again back in towards the rising wedge here, and right now we closed the candle above it, retested it once again as support, and right now we are looks to be that we're going to break down once again here, or we're going to create a wick of course. So this is pretty interesting how it is looking right now here. This clearly looks like a fake out, of course, so we could be maybe still visit the 51k here before really moving down from here on. But yeah, you would definitely want to be paying attention towards this chart right now here, since this is definitely a chart that you want to be paying attention towards, because this has a price target of approximately $45,000. But let me move further on towards it, because I will be taking for sure the main scenario that I will be looking at here is just a market trend, how we are looking here. If we're going to form a lower high from here on, I personally anticipate that we're just going to start to create another leg down here, and as well a lower low, since we have been over here in a lower low trajectory as well, and I personally can anticipate that we could be seeing some lower prices getting reached here. And the reason why I definitely think that is going to happen here is since, first of all, we touch the top side here on the 4-hourly chart of the parallel channel. Usually after touching the top side, we're either going to go back towards the middle line here of the parallel channel before moving up, or going to go back towards the lower side of the parallel channel to be before going up here. And I'm not only saying and basing it on that here, because as well, if I'm taking the momentum indicators in front of me, and like you guys probably already know here from me, I'm a real momentum trader because I like to trade on momentum on Bitcoin. And is the momentum on Bitcoin right now running low here? Do I see the buyers losing their strength? I will be saying, of course, you want to be looking at shorts. If I see this, the sellers getting exhausted and the price is most likely going to go up, I will be, of course, saying, yeah, we want to be longing right now. But of course, usually once we're always sitting at these higher ranges, I'm getting bearish since we are seeing a lot of divergence playing out. And that is exactly what we're seeing right now over here as well. You can see over here, Bitcoin is forming a higher high here in the price action. But if we're taking a closer look here on the RSI, we can clearly see the RSI is right now forming a lower high. So we are currently seeing a bearish divergence playing out here. And we all know already what a bearish divergence is telling us, because a bearish divergence is telling us on the RSI that we're most likely going to see a trend reversal and at least a minor correction from there on. And right now, of course, I've been saying it several times on the channel, you want to be looking at multiple confirmations. And as well, if we're going to look at the MACD, on the MACD, we are seeing that Bitcoin is as well forming a clear lower high over here, like you can see over there, and still a higher high in the price action. And this is as well giving us a signal that a trend reversal is probably extremely likely from here on the 4-hourly candle. So once I'm talking about a trend reversal, I'm talking maybe about an approximately period of 5 days or 4 days, just like we saw exactly over here. Because over here I was getting bullish since you were seeing we were forming higher lows here and lower lows in price action. This was a bullish divergence. So there, over here, you want to be getting bullish. And over here, of course, we as well took a trade towards the upside. I already remember this one. This was the falling wedge that we all trade towards the upside. I was getting pretty bullish over there. But right now, I'm thinking, yeah, we are standing on the top side, and we really want to be looking for short positions right now. And we could be start to really move down from here on, since there are already 2 indicators of the momentum telling me that we're most likely going to decrease in valuation. And I always want to be seeing multiple confirmations. And as well, if I'm going to look here at the money flow index, I'm seeing as well some very interesting things right now once again playing out here. And I can see currently that the money flow index is as well forming a clear lower high over here. And this lower high on the money flow, together with the higher high on the price action, is as well a bearish divergence. So we're seeing on 3 several momentum indicators and 3 several buying and selling strength indicators telling us that we're most likely going to see a correction from here on. You want to be paying attention right now towards the price action of Bitcoin, because personally, I did yesterday took some profits out. I did yesterday approximately sold 20% of my portfolio, because I will be trying, I will be never selling everything on my portfolio, and I will be for sure trying to trade it as well. But I'm getting a little bit scared right now in the market. I think we could be seeing maybe a pretty significant pullback back towards the 45,000 US dollars once again here. And of course, I will be reevaluating later today as well in my Twitter page on how we could be approaching it and how we could be maybe trading it. Maybe I'm not even going to trade it short, but I will be trying to long it, of course, once we're going to dip over there. But for sure, guys, make sure to already follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC if you want to be staying up to date about all these developments that we are bringing out on this channel for you guys. So make sure to check that out here as well. For all the people out there, make sure to join my trading competition right now. It's as well link in the description for all the people that want to be joining me and crushing the market as well here. We will be, of course, only taking 1 or 2 trades a week, or even less here. I mean, I don't know how much trades I'm going to take that week, since you don't know how the market is going to look, right? But if you're going to join my troop here, if you're going to join our competition on Bybit here, and you are first of all eligible to win the 7.5 million US dollar prize pool, what is of course absolutely insane here. Currently, of course, it's on 1.5 million, but the more people that are going to join this competition, the bigger the prize pool is going to become here. So make sure to already join the Crypto Rover team to first of all win it. And we're right now having a 1.5 million prize pool, what's already crazy, because we could be literally win 20% of it if we are going to, of course, win it. So our strategy is for sure that we are going to win the competition. So make sure that you're going to check it out. Make sure that you're joining the team here, because you are going to join the strongest team out there, and we are going to crush the opposition, and we are going to take this win on this competition here. So looking forward towards it already, since we have been as well extremely profitable here on this channel. So let me discuss right now as well the daily candle, since we are looking quite bearish here on the Bitcoin on the Bitcoin 4 hour. And if I'm going to go back towards the daily candles here, and let me back to a different chart for a second. And if I'm going back towards the daily candles, you can clearly see yesterday we created a pretty huge wick on the top side, already giving us a signal. We are not showing a lot of strength right now. We even not touched the 0.618 here. What would be, of course, my end goal to, of course, accumulate a very strong short position, since that is a very, very good entry price if you can get in towards it right there. But right now, still, I want to be raising the awareness. I'm not a huge bear here in the market. I would love to see Bitcoin increasing towards 100K right now in a straight line. But like I as well mentioned in yesterday's tweet here, I don't get it why people hating, since I'm just being realistic. No chart is going up in a straight line, and Bitcoin is no different. I can tell you already, there will be a major correction before we're going to crash towards a new all-time high to eliminate all the weekends here. Once the major correction will come here, there will be most likely a lot of people going to call for a bear market. And all the weekends will be then selling, and after that we could be surging towards new all-time highs. That was basically what I was yesterday tweeting about, and I will be still saying it right now here. We will be not going up in a straight line, and holding Bitcoin is a very tough ride. People think holding Bitcoin is easy, but you have to be holding through the significant corrections. But I'm personally anticipating that we could maybe see a very significant correction back towards 40K before really moving up here, since you don't see the prices moving up here without a very huge correction. You can see it once again over here. We have to eliminate all these weekends before moving up. This over here, January, everyone thought it was going to end over there, but it wasn't, of course. So this is for sure a thing that we are most likely going to see. I'm not going to say it's going to happen today, but it will be happening here in the coming week here, or maybe the week after. So that is the reason why I'm already taking some profits right now in the market. And I haven't been not saying this because I don't like to say these things up loud here, but I'm once again sharing my own analysis, my own strategy here right now with you guys. But I am taking profits right now along the way up here because I am personally anticipating that we are going to see a very significant pullback before we're really going to start moving up from here on. And 50K is definitely a very strong level of resistance to of course be very scared on. So yeah, make sure that you're going to pay attention and make sure that you're not going to get fooled here, because if we're going to look at the technicals on the daily, you can clearly see we are forming a bearish divergence on the MACD. We are forming a bearish divergence on the RSI, since the price action is still increasing on higher highs, and the RSI and the MACD is still forming lower highs. So yeah, please, I'm just taking profits right now here, and I want to be sharing all my thoughts with you guys, and that is exactly the thing what I'm right now doing here as well. What you can see over here, the money flow index is decreasing in its value as well, giving us a lot of divergence since the prices are still moving up, but there is less and less money flowing in towards the market. So it means that the buyers are getting exhausted. So please, you have to be paying attention towards it. It's extremely likely to get a major pullback from here on. And guys, this was already it for today's updated video here on Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you currently think of it. Let me know if you like these videos, and let me know as well what you're going to do right now in the market. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later today in the Ethereum update video. Peace out.